they always talk about moment. Your moment will come, they say, but they never tell you how it is when it doesn't. When the door stays shut, when your name isn't called, when the only spotlight is the one you imagine in your mind. I've waited. I've trained my voice, straightened my back, I've clapped for others. I've watched people skip lines that I never even knew existed. But here's the thing. This moment, right now, this breath, this heartbeat, this fire in my chest, this is my moment. And it doesn't need permission. I am not asking anymore. I am taking it. Because I was never waiting for the moment. I was building mine.